Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to block someone in Google Voice. So to get started with a quick analysis on how to block someone, the first thing to do is to open the Google Voice. So on your phone, open the Google Voice app, or on your computer go to the voice.google.com and sign into your account. Then from there, on the top app, tap the menu icon, which is the three horizontal line, so in the top left corner. Then from there, tap on setup. So on the website, click the gear icon, so in the top right corner, to open the settings. Then from there, scroll down to find the block numbers on this section. Then from there, tap or check the block number to see all the number you have blocked so far. Then from there, find the number you want to unblock and tap on the X button, or probably unlock the button next to the number. Then from there, confirm you want to unblock the number. So in a few minutes, the confirmation will be done, and that's it.